What? No, like, I'm not disturbing the class, miss. No, like, I literally just have a dimple. Like, it's not gonna do anything. Yeah, like, I swear. Like, I'm not disturbing the class. What? Chelsea? You wanna try? No. What? Why am I playing with monkey noodles? Because, like, they're, like, super fun. Can I shoot you? What? I should put away my mini poppets? Why?